Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Kia Sorento LX. I'm sorry, this is the S. Total price of $36,305. Absolutely awesome car. Ebony black over black. Does have your cloth interior. I really do like the looks of the Sorento. Refreshed, well not refreshed, completely new Sorento is due for next year. Do like the chrome accents around the windows. What I don't like is how cold it is outside. Yes, I'm wearing shorts. Yell at me in the comments, I know. There we go. That's in park. No. Which means that the other one is going to be there too. So you have Smart, Comfort, Eco, and Sport. I like to drive these in Sport. This is the 3.3 V6, same motor as the Stinger, just without the turbos. Give me that. I'm not driving right-hand drive. I don't know why I put my water there. Nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. Reason I said LX was I just drove the LX, so it's like that's still fresh in my mind. I do really like the Sorento, especially in the top level trims. It's a really nice SUV. So what Sport Mode does, tightens up your steering a little bit, increases throttle response, and changes transmission tuning. There. Man, I'm losing it, man. I mean, I film 6 days a week, so it's a lot. Brake pedal, good feel. Good response too. Now onto some handling with some back road corners. Not bad. You do have a manual mode. I don't really use it a lot, but it exists. The main reason it's there is for engine braking, but it's an actual authentic manual mode. It will auto upshift at redline, but it will hold whatever gear you have it in. When you put the wipers on, it comes up in your center display what level you have them on. I do like everything in here is soft touch material. It's absolutely awesome. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.